I think it's important to understand when to use goals and when to use events so that you can get the most out of the way that you're setting up Google Analytics. Now, goals are configured under the view. And here, if I select goals in the view panel within our admin settings, we can see a variety of goals that have been set up for the Google Merchandise Store. Now, goals tend to be things that substantially impact your bottom line. This is something that really moves the direction of your business. Events tend to be all of these micro interactions that help move someone towards a goal. With an event, we might measure when someone signs up for our newsletter or watches our video, whereas a goal might track when someone has completed a purchase or finalized a registration or has become an engaged user. We can use goals to really understand whether we're accomplishing what we've set out to do with a particular marketing campaign. Now, there's a few different types of goals, and you likely might be using them now, but I thought I'd run through a quick refresher. So here we see an engaged user goal, and if I select this, I can show you how it's been set up. In this case, they've selected a custom template. They've created a pages and screens per session goal. And then within the details, they've decided that when a user views more than 10 pages per session, this goal has been completed and that user is now engaged. We also have a purchase completed goal. In this goal, we can see that it's a destination goal, meaning someone has hit a particular page. Within the goal details, we can see that when the destination is ordercompleted.html, this goal is complete. The funnel has been enabled, and the funnel allows you to identify the steps that a user takes in order to arrive at that goal. And this is helpful so that you can see this in your funnel visualization. Here, a user goes from the cart to billing and shipping to payment to review. Now, this is fairly straightforward to set up and configure, but it's important that you think about how you can be using goals and how you can be using events. So as you look at setting up your Google Analytics account, consider that goals are going to be a destination, a duration, a page per session, or triggered by a particular event, and they're aligned to your KPIs. In other words, these are metrics of success. These goals align with your overarching mission. And your events are everything that helps someone move towards that goal. You want to differentiate and distinguish between these because as you view reports, you're going to interact with this data in a way that changes how you evaluate user behaviors.